Hi everyone, we're here with Michael, the CEO and founder of Visual Composer. So, hi Michael, you were one of the first people to create a page builder for WordPress, and that was WPBakery. And so tell us, how would you compare the customer demands before, when you created the page builder and now?
I would say that customer demands changed a lot, actually. And back then, when we introduced Page Builder to the market, users actually did not know that they need a Page Builder. They didn't know that they can take a Page Builder and do this stuff on their own. But nowadays, it's like they are really, really demanding to have a Page Builder or more like a website builder to take their do-it-yourself project to the completely next level, to create headers, footers, and complete websites, or even full-blown WordPress templates.
So as we know, those are some of the features from your new product, Visual Composer Website Builder. So what are the reasons? Why did you decide to create a whole new product and not really concentrate that much on WPBakery?
Okay, thanks. That's a good question, a bit tough. But when we were deciding to what road to take, we finally, when we were deciding which road to take, we decided to go with the new product, and mostly because of the technical constraints that Page Builder has. Like over the years, like the user base is really big, and in order to introduce new technology, we needed to focus on the backwards compatibility. But instead of that, we decided to create new product and spend our time into engineering new cool stuff instead of just tinkering with the backwards compatibility and supporting those like transitions from version to version.
So what would you say are the biggest differences between the two products from the user perspective?
Oh, they're miles away from each other. The website builder is based on the React.js technology. It's not using shortcuts anymore. It's the whole performance is like it basically is setting the new benchmark on the market. So yeah, I would say that the main is the performance and not using the shortcuts. Like Page Builder is still using the shortcuts because it was a native way for the WordPress back then, and even now WordPress is. I think that WordPress is also moving away from shortcuts and introducing more structured data.
Still, a lot of web developers think that builders are useless and not for professionals. So what would you say about that?
It depends, as always. If you consider yourself as a, code guru or something, of course you may go with the manual process, but then you need to think of time constraints that you have, or also on the other side is the budget. So if you want to, if you're in need to bootstrap your project really fast, and of course, the Page Builder is the way to go. But if you're looking for a completely custom solution for enterprise grade projects, then probably coding your everything from scratch is the way to go. So it all depends on your needs.
So there's a topic that we can't skip, and it's Gutenberg. So what do you think about the path that WordPress has taken at the moment?
It's been a bit rough, to my opinion, but it is a really long-awaited feature for the WordPress, because Tiny MC looks a bit outdated to my taste. Actually, this is the main reason why products like our Page Builder and Website Builder appeared on the market. So that the WordPress is going that way, it's kind of logical step to me, and I think that end users actually will benefit from it. It will add some more competition to us and other products, and overall, the end user will just gain benefits from it.
All right, so now let's move on to the WordPress community. You haven't been very active, at the beginning, and you have been visiting WordCamps for the last 2 years. So why is that? What changed?
I mean, like in the beginning, I think that the main thing was that we simply didn't have a big team. So we were focusing. We spent all of our time actually focusing on the development features, new features, and new features. But then when we visited first WordCamp here in the Baltics, I think it was in Stockholm. Like the main push was that it is so close to our home city. So and then we got a taste of the WordPress community, and then we couldn't resist to go to the WordCamp Europe, and then to the States, and then again to the Europe, and so on. So it's definitely the community that we're now passionate about.
So, and as a CEO of one of the most popular WordPress plugins, what does a typical day of Michael look like?
It is really typical day. I woke up early morning, discuss my agenda with my cat, and then take a road to my office and work with the great team on the next big thing, like website builder.
Cool. And so your product makes it really easy for people to create their websites. So how many websites have you actually created?
I never counted actually, but I would say it's something like close to somewhere in the bracket from 50 to 100 websites, I think. But again, it was so easy to create a website with the page builder, so 10-15 minutes down, you get a website.
All right, well, Michael, we've got a last question for you. As you know, WPBakery has a logo and it's a duck. So what does a duck say?
It's definitely a quack quack.
All right. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, everyone, for watching. That's been Michael from Visual Composer. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more inspirational interviews like this one. And yeah, thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.